Hey, do you ever feel that uncontrollable urge to yawn? Especially when you're trying to concentrate? You might think it means you're bored or sleepy, but there's a fascinating scientific reason behind it. Yawning is actually your body's built-in air conditioner for your brain. When your brain starts to overheat from intense focus or even stress, it triggers a yawn. That deep breath brings in cooler air from outside, which then cools the blood flowing to your brain. This cooling mechanism helps regulate your brain's temperature, bringing it back to an optimal level. So, what's the result? A cooler brain functions more efficiently. It can lead to improved alertness, better mental performance, and sharper focus. So, next time you yawn in a meeting, don't feel embarrassed. You're not being lazy. Your brain is just rebooting to stay sharp. It's a clever way our bodies regulate themselves. If you found this cool, follow Therapy Nature for more amazing science facts. Thanks for watching.